Today we're testing out the BISSELL Little Green Carpet Extractor. This retails for about $100 and we're using it with this cleaner today against cranberry juice and fluffy white carpet. For our test, we're pouring a 1/4 cup of cranberry juice in 3 different spots and just letting it soak in. The top one will clean with the green machine, and then the middle will be traditional blotting and the bottom will be a control. I started by blotting the excess with a paper towel, and then I took a spray solution of the exact same cleaner we're going to use in the BISSELL and blotted it out for 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes, this was our result. It's not perfect, but it's not nothing. Now we're going to try the BISSELL. I started by spraying the stained area and then extracted and sprayed for that same 3 minutes. You can tell it's pulling up a lot of the juice, and it took a couple passes, but it started looking better and better within that 3 minutes. When I was done, I did notice that there was a little bit of the solution leaking on the floor, but overall, it wasn't that bad. This is what came out of the carpet. Another perk I found of the BISSELL is that it's very easy to clean. I just rinsed out the tank, pulled out the plug from the bottom so I could rinse it from both sides, and voila. These are our results. The BISSELL obviously won. It did leave a tiny bit of color, but not bad. This is the dried result. It's very similar. But what really surprised me was on the other side, there's an equal amount of color and stain on the bottom of the rug. Now for the ratings. The BISSELL removed the stain really well, even though there was still stain at the bottom of the carpet. It was quick, but you do have to clean the machine, and easy to use, though we wish the attachment was larger for larger surfaces. It's definitely worth its $100 price tag. Overall, the BISSELL has earned an 8.5 out of 10. We would definitely recommend this product, especially if you have kids or pets.